Mini mindfulness number 362. Into each life a little rain must fall. And you might actually hear the rain falling on my head as I do this. But this is the least amount of rainfall we've had in the past week. And so my thought for this moment of mindfulness is to wonder, does rain actually have to fall? That old saying, into each life a little rain must fall. We know it does fall. Or it doesn't. There are droughts, there are floods, and there is what we do with that information. So take a moment and take a long, slow, deep, powerful breath, connecting deep into the center of the earth and deep into the center of the universe, allowing the bright white golden light flow up from the soles of your feet and down from the crown of your head into your higher heart. A few long, slow, deep, powerful breaths. Accepting what is. Not fighting what is actually happening around you. And opening your arms to embrace that which is happening around you. For it is neither good nor bad, it just is. When you stop fighting and resisting what is, you start allowing yourself to be all that you can be and all that you are. And so it is. Have a great day, whether it's rainy or sunny. Wherever you are, allow the bright light to shine and emanate out from your core. Make it a good one.